gonna get out of this library because I'm almost done with my essay or whatever I wanted to do today. I still need to work on it the next couple of days, but we made some progress today and I'm very happy with what I've accomplished today. And I'm gonna make my way home now. I'm gonna work on my essay a little bit at home. I thought there was somebody there. Let's go. I'm gonna hand in my freaking essay at 11 p.m. I hate writing essays. Literally, you spend 2 months or longer writing this stuff for then just to, be one click away and having fate decide your grade. Like, this just feels wrong, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna send it here. It's gone. And I'm gonna sleep because I have to wake up early to go to work tomorrow, so. Well. We are done with work. We just got a nice shift in and made some money. I got a couple snacks for when I'm at university. And today I got one class at 10. And that is like company law, basically. So we're learning about a bunch of different types of companies and all the rights that come with it or with them. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting outside of this bookstore because I need to get a book for that class or lecture, I guess. And today I actually have a Spanish exam at 3 o'clock or I think at 2:30. I'm not quite sure. I have to check. But if I want to do an exchange semester in Argentina, I need like a certificate saying I have a C1 Spanish level. Holy shit, these books are freaking big boys, bro. They're so heavy. Alrighty, I'm in the library. I have like an hour and a half until my exam. ASMR. Alright, now I'm gonna actually do stuff. Alright, I just did a little quiz with ChatGPT to review vocab, just like phrases that I can use. And the exam is in 15 minutes. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick and then I'm gonna head to the room. Here we go. Exam time, baby. Let's go. We're back, and the exam, surprisingly, or I guess not surprisingly, it went pretty good, I'd say. I don't know, I just wrote a whole bunch of stuff. I was just yapping like a D1 yapper. It was about being vegetarian and what are the pros and cons of being vegetarian, what would happen if everyone were to turn vegetarian. Yeah, we'll see, whatever. I'm currently in my apartment, as you can see, and I'm making myself some falafel balls. Now it's Friday. I get to enjoy the Friday. I get to edit. On the weekend, I actually need to do a whole bunch of stuff for university, like prep for my classes and, whatever. At least I have my essay done, got this exam done. So let's cross the essay. Get that out of here. Let's cross off the exam. Get that out of here. All right. As you can tell, I'm feeling very hyped. So I'm going to eat these falafel balls and then I'm going to hop on that bus and go home. So watch me eat those falafel balls. Watch me. bikes again. We are on our way to get ice cream. Wow.
Okay, this one's actually not open. Okay, stop. Actually, I'm being so fruity mix.
Fruity mix?
Yeah.
Paul.
You're not going up there.
Good morning. Today we have to do a whole bunch of stuff for university. We have all of these assignments, so I'm gonna do as much as I can now. Yeah, get as much done as possible in the morning. Yeah, it's just gonna be a weekend of grinding and work. So let's get to it. And as a reward, I actually have a fun project I can do later tonight. So if I can finish all of this, then I'll be able to do that. All right, well, the last clip you saw, we've got a cat on the loose. Well, the last clip you saw was me eating ice cream, I think, and it is dark outside now. And my sisters and I are gonna go for a bike ride because we just like going for bike rides. And yeah, I had a soccer game today. We lost 7-1. Yeah, so I didn't get any more university stuff done, but I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. But we also got another thing tomorrow, which is in the title of the video. And tomorrow's the day, so we're gonna try it tomorrow. But for now, we're just gonna go for a casual bike ride. Well, this is setup. We got me biking here. I'm gonna put a cushion on the back now, and we're gonna give it a try. And we've got Malone right here. He wants to leave too, but he can't.
Keep my feet up anymore.
I'm gonna have to get off. I can't do this.
So stop, break.
My sister Sophia got me this Lego set for my birthday, and I'm gonna build it real quick. It'll be a nice way to end off the weekend. Have this as another nice set of decoration for my room, and yeah, don't know where I would put it, but let's get to building. Whoa, what? We're done, and I have to get going. So literally in like 5 minutes. So perfect timing, finished. And yeah, that's the video. So, I mean, the best player of all time right here. So shout out to my sister for getting me this for my birthday. What an amazing birthday present. And yeah, now I have to get going. So I'll see you in the next video, which is actually starting tomorrow. So I'll see you next week. All right, peace.